What's going on, everyone? Michael here, and today we're going to be talking about AI text to video generation with Blotato, OpenAI, and ChatGPT. Now, if you've never made money online before and you've never done AI text to video generation, don't worry, you're in the right place. We've been doing this AI text to video as a company for over a year now. We get hundreds of leads and views from it, and I'm going to be showing you how we are doing this with just one click. But before we dive in, if you want to get access to the digital playbook, which has step-by-step tutorials of the infrastructures and frameworks that we're using, a bunch of other really cool stuff like how to clip, my different AI short form prompts, a list of 130 plus AI tools that you're able to promote, and then some other things. Just go ahead and get the digital playbook. You can get it at just going to digitalplaybook.com, and it will give you access. But before we go ahead and get started, as a favor, if you could just comment yes below if you like this stuff and want me to keep you updated with more AI videos on how to get started earning money with AI and how you can start creating videos with AI, please go ahead and leave the word yes in the comments. It helps out the algorithm. But let's go ahead and dive into the video. So the tool that we are going to be talking about today is going to be called Blotato. And once you get the digital playbook, the link will also be in the description as well. You can just go right here to where it says set up free Blotato account. Now, Blotato is free for the first 7 days, and then you will have to pay $29.97. I'm on the $29 a month plan, and I haven't used all the credits that they give me. So that should be more than enough for you guys that are starting off. So definitely go ahead and sign up, give that a try. I'm already logged in, and so this is what the account looks like. If you notice over here, there's other sections called like remix, inspiration. So the cool thing about Blotato is it's for every social media platform as far as creating content. So you're able to create your own hooks or scripts, and it has everything all in one place. You're even able to, like, let's say you want to take an article and put it in here. It will remix that and give you a good script. You're also able to schedule out your post in here. I use Go High Level, so I haven't set this up yet. But the main area that I use in here, probably 99% of the time, and what I'm going to be talking about in this video, is going to be the create video sections. So you can see here that you are able to write your script, choose a theme, choose a voice, and then captions. And this pretty much has, well, this does have everything that you need to create a video. One thing that I like about this is you don't have to go to ChatGPT to write a script. Go right here, type in your script. I normally go 30 seconds and generate script. I'm just going to keep this one here. It looks like I generated this not too long ago, so we're just going to make a quick video of this. The themes, I'll let you scroll through, see all these themes. Looks like we're talking about a cow in that one. Let's go ahead and go with the whimsy or the whimsical Disney theme. We're going to go with Echo as the voice. Enable voiceover, write captions. So how I use this tool, I just want to clarify, is I'll go in here to my prompts and I'll take one of these top 3 website prompts and I'll copy it. And that is how I'm using Blotato, is creating these top 3 websites and getting people to comment down below if they want access. In this case, I am just making a more fun script for the case of this YouTube video. So now we're going to generate the draft video, and it's going to take a couple seconds here. I'll come back once it just generated. It is done generating. What you see right here is you see a text to image prompt right here, super detailed, and it has that generated for all 9 scripts. So now what we're going to do is we are going to generate the actual images. And I'm going to cut back to once they are complete. See down below, it is done completing. Now it's time to export. We have the final video. Now let's briefly take a look at it. It might be a little loud, but here we go.
Have you ever seen a cow eat? It's a sight. Imagine walking across the farm, the sun shining. You see cows happily munching.
Would you look at that? Now, obviously, I just did a random script, everything. But top 3 website, maybe you're in a different niche, like an AI niche. It's unlimited what you can do with this tool. So then you would just go ahead and download this tool, or not download the tool, but download the actual video. And then we would go into our Go High Level, and that is where we would schedule it out in our social planner. Let's say you don't have Go High Level for some reason. You can always go to the calendar section and schedule it out. I haven't done that, so I would just go here and learn how to set it up. But I have access, or I give you guys access to 100 or no, excuse me, like 700 different AI short form videos. So let's say for some reason you don't want to use Blotato, or you've used up the 7-day free trial. What you can do is you can take all these videos that I have for you guys already generated, download like 4 or 5 of these, and then you would go into CapCut, and then it opened up on my other screen. But go into CapCut and put these videos together, kind of like that video that I just showed you, where there's different slots and images, and that is where you would just add these captions over top of those videos and create a video that way. Now it is more time consuming, so it just all depends on what you value. Do you value time right now because you have a lot of it, or maybe you have a little bit of money, so you'll buy Blotato so you can save some time. So it's really all dependent on the situation that you're in. If you have any questions or need help, go ahead and join the digital playbook right here. This is where you have access to direct message me if you have any questions. Also, we have a chat and other really cool things over here. We're doing a 30-day bounty for anyone in the group that wants to be consistent and posting for 30 days straight. But that is going to be it for this video, AI pros, and I will see you in the next one.